Njengoba usondela umhlazi ngama-30 uNhlangulana, inhlangano iMarch and March ihlele ukubamba imibhikisho yehlukene kulesi sifundazwe nakwezinye izifundazwe. UNdunankulu wesifundazwe uthi abaholi bemashi bagcizelele ukuthi angeke lube bikho udlame.
Mr. Phakela Umthakathi of Insizwa Nomnsizwa and Mr. Jessica Ngobese Ezuma of March and March both gave their word to government, to their followers and to this province that their activities will be peaceful and that they distance themselves unequivocally from any call to violence or looting.
UNdunankulu uthi amaphoyisa ame ngomumo ukuqapha isimo ne-SANDF nayo izobizwa uma kudingeka.
They will be working with the police. There is the deployment of the police in the province of KwaZulu-Natal and the deployment of safety structures in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. All law enforcers will be deployed in KwaZulu-Natal, and there will be also the presence of the South African Defence Force.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usabambile uFiroz Khachalia uthi umsebenzi wabo bengamaphoyisa akusikho ukuthatha uhlangothi ezintweni ezenzekayo ezithinta lelizwe, kodwa ke abakwenzayo ukugcina umthetho.
As our law enforcement officers, our role is not to take sides in any public debate or political dispute. Our role is to uphold the Constitution, which embodies the aspirations of our people, the South African people, as a whole.
Kunxuswe amaqembu ombusazwe ukuthi agweme ukusebenzisa isimo izwe elikuso njengamanje ukunxenxa amavoti.